Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. Today, I will show you how Miro AI turns chaotic meeting notes into structured outputs that actually drive progress. Picture this scenario. You just wrapped a product planning session with notes scattered everywhere. User feedback here, technical requirements there, timeline discussions mixed with resourcing concerns. Instead of spending an hour organizing this afterward, let Miro AI do the heavy lifting for you. Select all your meeting notes, click Sidekicks, and here is where it gets powerful. Choose your desired output format based on what your team needs next. Need immediate action tracking? Generate a table that includes tasks, owners, deadlines, and priority levels. Want to visualize dependencies? Create a diagram showing how decisions connect to deliverables. Planning a follow-up presentation? Transform notes into a structured document to define an outline and next steps. Let me show you something amazing. Your messy brainstorm about improving user onboarding becomes a clean project table with specific tasks, such as conducting user interviews, designing wireframes, and scheduling usability testing. Each item gets proper ownership and realistic timelines. Your scattered technical discussion evolves into a comprehensive system diagram that illustrates database changes, API updates, and front-end modifications. Your budget conversation becomes a structured document with cost breakdowns and approval workflows. Here is what most people miss. Miro AI does not just create to-do lists. It understands context and relationships. Your meeting insights become prototypes for testing concepts, comparison tables for evaluating options, or roadmaps for planning execution. Everything stays connected to the original discussion, so context never gets lost as projects evolve. Try turning your next set of notes into structured action items with Miro AI. And subscribe for more productivity tutorials that will transform how your team collaborates. Thanks for watching, and remember, I might live in the digital world, but helping your real-world meetings become more productive is what I was designed to do.